Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope y'all having a blessed day on today. Today is day 2 of my holiday pie series. Yes, y'all. Today I'm making a chocolate cream pie. Okay, y'all, let's get to making our chocolate cream pie. This is the large box, which is the 5.9 ounce box of chocolate. We're going to add this to our bowl. Okay. And now we're going to add the milk, 2 cups of milk. Okay, now I'm going to mix my milk and pudding, instant pudding mixed together. Okay, we're going to wipe down our sides. Make sure y'all wipe down the side. So how have y'all been doing? I hope y'all have been doing good. As y'all can see, the mixture is getting thick. Look, it's getting thicker now. Look how thick it's getting. Okay, since that has thickened, we're going to add our cream cheese. Add that to it. And y'all, this is softened cream cheese, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all, this is softened. You let it sit out a while, okay? Make sure y'all let this sit out until it's softened. Okay. And y'all mix this until it is well blended, till you no longer see any chunks of cream cheese. Y'all, these pies are so delicious and so simple to make. That's why I wanted to share. Me and my daughters were talking, and one of my daughters said, "Mom, won't you do a series?" I said, "Yeah, that's a great idea, because I want to share this with everyone." And what's so good about it, y'all, I got my daughters here helping me. They're helping me all the way. Okay, y'all see, it's well blended. Well blended. Make sure we get all of that out. Now we're going to pour our chocolate cream cheese filling to our pie shell. Make sure y'all it's well incorporated down there. I can say something for the kids. Okay, we're gonna spread this around. I made these pies for Thanksgiving, and that's why we wanted to share these with everyone. Keep spreading around there. Cool Whip. Just take it out of the refrigerator. Y'all remember what I said, to make sure you whip this up really good. Okay, just whip it up really good. Okay, now we're gonna put it on top of our pie. And like I said, do not put it all the way to the edges, because we're gonna put that lid back on this and let this set. And if you want to, you can add some pecans on top. That if you want, you can add the pecans on top. Or grated chocolate, whichever one you want to do. I have some pecans, and I think that's what we're going to put on ours. If you want to decorate it this way, you do. Go up through there. Just do it like that. You want to make it fancy. Make the little peaks. Go right ahead and do it. Okay, y'all see how simple these pies are to make. Now we're just going to sprinkle a few of these on top. You can sprinkle as much or less as you want. It's up to you. Like I said, you can also have grated chocolate or shaved chocolate that you can put in a shredder, that you can, you know, like grater, and grate some chocolate up and just sprinkle it on there. Okay, let me put a few more on this side. Okay, and there we have it, my chocolate cream pie. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Okay, y'all, I'm here with to show y'all my chocolate cream pie. I'm taking this topping off, this little clear top off. Okay, I'll show y'all how my chocolate pie turn out. Okay, I refrigerator all night long. I just let it sit. I'm going to show y'all the end results of it. Okay. Let me see, can I? Okay. Y'all, I got some help here. Okay. Here's my chocolate one, y'all. Trying to get it out. Okay, this is my chocolate. Yes. My chocolate cream pie. Show y'all the sides of it. See there? This is my chocolate. That's the Cool Whip on the side, y'all. Yeah, that's cool. This is my chocolate cream pie. And I hope y'all try these recipes that I'm showing y'all, this little series. I'm showing y'all how to make these little quick and easy desserts for Christmas or for any parties or whatever. Okay, I'm letting y'all see this. Okay, well, I'm gonna say y'all have a blessed day. Y'all try this, y'all have a blessed day, and bye bye for now.